How to make a voice call on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a voice call on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. If not, for iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, click on the start section on the bottom. Now scroll down and find the person name that you want to video call to. If you don't find there, simply click on the search bar and type in their name. Or if you want to start a new conversation with them, simply click on this plus icon on the top right corner. Then scroll down and click on their name. Now on the top right corner, you can set two different options here. On this video like icon, if you click on it, it will start a video call, and just beside that you can see another icon which will start a voice call. Simply click on this video option and click on allow, and that's it. This is how you start a video or voice call on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.